Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I am presenting a vlog on the Mahabalipuram beach. This beach is located at a distance of 58 kilometers from city of Chennai on the East Coast Highway. Mahabalipuram is also popularly called as Mamallapuram locally. There are no direct train or flight services to Mahabalipuram, but numerous buses ply from Chennai and Pondicherry towards Mahabalipuram, along with intercity cab services. I personally travelled by bus from Chennai and it took around 80 minutes to reach Mahabalipuram. If travelling by bus, one has to deboard on the East Coast Highway a kilometer before Mahabalipuram turn and have to travel further by hiring autos, who charge around 100 to 150 rupees based on the distance to the hotel from the ECR road. Mahabalipuram beach is buzzing with commercial fishing activity for most of the day. There are numerous hotels lined up along the coastline of this beach that offer a wide range of accommodation options. Mahabalipuram beach is a perfect place to relax and unwind yourself from the daily routine life. This beach is one of the favorite weekend destinations for people residing in Chennai. Mahabalipuram beach is also very famous for its beautiful caves and restaurants that line up around the beach area. This beach is a very favorite destination among the foreigners and backpackers who would like to laze down on the beach for hours and try a hand on windsurfing, which is a popular pastime here. The Shore Temple is located right next to the Mahabalipuram beach. Though Mahabalipuram beach is not famous for the commercial water sports activities, but one can opt for a boat ride in the Bay of Bengal Sea, go in for a turtle spotting walks, or join in yoga sessions that are very popular here. There is no major nightlife at Mahabalipuram beach, but one can hang out in one of the caves lined up along the beach and have a pleasant dinner while enjoying the music of the waves crashing the shore. If you have enjoyed watching my videos, please do subscribe to my channel, click the like button and add in your valuable comments, and stay tuned to my channel as many more amazing videos are coming up. Thanks for watching. Bye and take care and be safe.